Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you haven't subscribed, just please go down below and take the time to subscribe to your girl's channel. Thank you very much. For my wash and go today, I will be using my Cantu leave-in conditioner, my Eco Styler gel, my Detangle brush, and some clips to clip my hair aside. Doing my wash and go under the shower gives me the best result. That means after washing my hair, I just stay in the shower and soak the hair with water before applying my product. What I basically do is just to drench my hair in water, like I said, put my leave-in conditioner and then my gel. There are different methods you can use for this. Like you can see here, I'm using my detangler to just brush through my hair, not because my hair is not detangled, it's already detangled, but I just put it in because it works for my hair. I see sometimes, depending on the section, that it brings out my curls better, or I don't know, my curls are just more defined. Sometimes I use my fingers because maybe with the detangler or it's not working well. Like you can see here, it's bringing out my curls pretty well at the front, so I'm just going with the detangler here. Just try both methods out and see what works for your hair. Here the detangler worked well, but some sections, I don't know, it's just somehow harder to bring it out with the detangler, so I still go through with my fingers to do it. After that, I try separate my section. As you can see here, just separating it a little. I feel, or for me, it works better that my curls are more defined when it's dry than me just letting it stay like that. So I'm done with that section. I'm just going to put it aside and go ahead with the next section. I'm just going to do the previous steps again, putting water in my hair, put in my leave-in, my gel, and then either use your finger to just run through it, or you use your detangler. You see that I used my fingers at first, and then I was not still happy with the way my curls were looking, so I went in with my detangler, and then the curls were then popping. With wash and go, you really have to just figure out what works for your hair. It might be you've put the same amount of leave-in conditioner and as well as the gel, but it's still not defining your curls that much. Just go ahead and put more gel if that's what works for you. Now I just go ahead and separate my section just the way I did previously. Oh, I haven't done my part. I don't go with middle part. I normally do side part, and I'll just create my parts now. But usually just do your part at the beginning so you don't have to scatter what you've already like put together, which I've done now. That section now I've scattered what I did, so, but I'll just go through with my fingers again to make sure it's okay. Like you can see here, I put water on it, and if necessary, gel. As you can see here, I'm pouring water on the part that I just created. I just wanted to make sure that that part is definitely defined, since I manipulated it because I was trying to create the part. So I'm satisfied with the way it's looking. Basically I will just go about with my day and let my hair dry, because I don't like putting heat on my hair, but you can definitely use a blow dryer to speed things up if you want to. So guys, this is the final result. My hair is almost dry but not fully dry. I started my wash and go pretty late in the day and was not having enough time to let it completely dry, but you get the gist of it. Some part of my hair is still looking white. Is due to the fact that my hair is not completely dried, like I said. It's definitely going to go away once it's dry, so don't be scared, it's going to go away. I hope you liked this wash and go. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. See ya!